and I wanted to attend this. And it was actually, when I saw the invitation, I thought it was like any other invitation. But when I went into the depth of the invitation and the work they were actually planning to do and the launch for which I'm here, it's really an honor to be here. So I consider it's my pleasure to be a part of this program. And first of all, I want to congratulate Care Hospitals and Aster for taking up this initiative. I think this initiative comes at the right time, because lot of as we can see now, and before me the speakers have already spoken, one in every six people we have a senior citizen. And I think now the percentage is about 11% of Indian population is senior citizen. And if we go by the prediction, I think by 2050 it is about 21% of the Indian population is going to be the senior citizen. So we know how much of a responsibility on each of us now. And with the increasing life expectancy, we should see it as a progress, because the expectancy has increased, more number of senior citizens, and the progress which we have made, we it's a responsibility of each and every one of us. And this initiative taken up by the Care Hospitals, I think it is comes at the right moment. And when I've gone into this, the motto of this Pranam program, where they focus on both health and well-being of the senior citizens. So I was just asking, like, how do you manage to do all this? So they have partnered with many caregivers, the network which they have built both forward and backward. See, when a patient comes to the hospital, then we follow up is the already existing model is what we know. But now they are hand holding right from early detection for well-being, preventing care, then the treatment, and then the aftercare also. So I think it is a very well thought out program and very well extended program for the senior citizens. Like I've already heard, so the result we can see is maybe about 2 to 3 months later, when a senior citizen comes back, and when they are not standing in the lines anymore, and with the ease and the respect they get when they come to the hospital. So every senior citizen, especially when they have to go for their regular checkups, or when they have to go when they are in some kind of discomfort, they are always they have kal jayenge ya parso jayenge attitude is what they have. Because me seeing my parents at home, or the other elders in my family, there is one point of hesitation, ki we need to wait, we need to there's a long queue, and they're not very comfortable sitting, and the investigation, the treatment, so always there's that kind of hesitation. But I think with such kind of program, that kind of hesitation, first thing they will get away with, and the care and the respect they get, I think more people will come forward. I'm sure, and I believe that Care Hospitals will take up this program more seriously and extend it all throughout India. And I congratulate the Care and the Aster management. Keep up the good job you're doing. Thank you.